Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Pusheen backpack. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the backpack. Let's draw a curve across near the top. And then from both ends, let's curve it down. Now let's bring it down on both sides. And then at the bottom, let's curve it in. And close off the bottom with a line across. Now that we have the shape of the backpack, let's move up and let's draw the ears at the top. On the top left, let's draw an angle up and bring it down. And let's do the same on the right side. Now in between the ears, let's draw a curve across. And then on the other side of the ears, let's curve it down on both sides. Now we're going to hop in and we're going to draw the face. Inside at the top, let's draw a line down and bring it back up. And now let's do the same thing on the right side and on the left. Now top underneath, and for the mouth, let's draw two curves out and up. And then another small curve across underneath. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw the eyes by drawing a circle on both sides. And then color them both in black. Now lastly for the face, on the sides, let's draw two curves out for the whiskers. Now that we're done the face, we're going to hop underneath and draw the pouch. Let's start with a curve across. And then bring it down on both sides. Now at the bottom, let's curve it in. And then a line across. Now top and side, and let's draw another line across near the top. Then let's bring it down from both ends. And then close it off to form a rectangle. And then underneath on the left, we're going to draw the end of the zipper by drawing two angles down and close it off at the bottom. And that's it for the main part of the backpack. Next, let's add the straps. Let's start on top and let's draw two curves up. And then a curve across the top. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw another two lines down. And then in the center, a curve across near the top here. And that's it for the top strap. Now let's move down and let's draw the ones on the sides. Let's start on the sides under the whiskers, and we're going to curve it down and bring it back in at the bottom. And now let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for this Pusheen backpack. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!